Discover the Carmel Bay III hot tub from Blue Whale Spa, the ultimate relaxation haven for the whole family. With 3 powerful Storm Force 9 pumps and 55 premium jets, say goodbye to stress and hello to hydrotherapy bliss. Watch your kids' faces light up with 29 LED lights and fun water features like fountains and a 10-inch waterfall. And for the grown-ups, enjoy the foot massage and soak away your worries. Control everything effortlessly with the Balboa control panel, while the 3 kilowatts heater ensures the perfect temperature every time. Plus, the included steps, cover and filters make it so easy to keep your hot tub fresh and inviting. And the best part? Free delivery and installation across the UK mainland. With just a £99 deposit and finance options at 0% and 4.9% APR, upgrading your home has never been this hassle-free. Bring luxury, relaxation and family bonding to your doorstep with the Carmel Bay III hot tub from Blue Whale Spa.